First, clean the wall. Make sure the wall is clean, dry and smooth. Second, start from one corner, tear part of the backing paper, align it with the position, paste it from top to bottom or from one side to the other side, and gently press it with a dry cloth. Third, align the edges and press around from the center with a dry cloth to remove air bubbles. Fourth, the excess part is folded inward and installed, easy to paste. Fifth, after completing the installation, clean the surface with a wet rag to make the finished effect more exquisite. Follow me, give you a free sample to try installation.